Hello, my name is Tari. Today is the 27th day of July 2022. I'm here to share what I learned in our Mass Indoctrination Day 13 held today via Zoom, where Bradley taught us that there are kinds of sin, two kinds of sin actually, sins unto death and sin not unto death. And we see that the grievous sins are those sins that are unto death and will not be forgiven anymore if we intentionally do them. Now, sin unto death are not forgivable, while sins not unto death are forgivable. So when anyone commits sin unto death and is being warned 2 times in the church of God, he should be expelled according to 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 13, so that others will not be corrupt. Now those pastors who expel others because of sinning should themselves not commit this kind of sins for which they expel others. In Matthew chapter 12 verse 32, the Bible warns us against speaking against the Holy Spirit, that it is a sin that is not forgivable anymore. And we see that there are doctrines of the Holy Spirit that if we intentionally sin against, will not be forgiven. According to Acts chapter 15, 19 to 20, the Bible warns us against eating meat offered to idols, from blood, things strangled, and from fornication. And we are made to understand that idols are gold and silver made by man. Anything that is not the true God is an idol. That if any food is offered to them, we should not eat it. That it is an abomination before God, and our conscience will be defiled. So we should avoid food offered to idols. We should avoid blood, because it is a sacred thing. It is used for atonement on the altar, and it contains the life of every living thing. So we should avoid eating blood. As well, also we should avoid strangled things, animals that died on themselves, which the blood is still in them. We should avoid eating them. And then we should avoid fornication, which is moving from one religion to the other. Having found a true church, we should stick to it instead of moving to carry candles for procession and to do other funny things in other religion. So we should stick to the true religion, that it will seem good to the Holy Spirit for us to do this. Thanks be to God.